Hey, thanks for checking out WB Code. It's a platform that allows you to share messages and links with your students. To get started, click on the Create Class button, and that'll create a class with the code. And this is the code that your students will type in. You'll type in a URL here. So in this case, I'm going to do youtube.com, but it can be any URL you want. And then you'll type in a message. So I'll type in some HTML, but this can be any message you want as well. And then you click Submit, and that gets transmitted to your students. So what the students will see is basically this. This is the preview view, but if you want to see exactly what they'll see, they'll enter in the 4-character code, they'll click Join Class, and this is what they'll see. And then they'll be able to click on this link right here and go to where you need them to go. The reason I created this is I was an assistant teacher teaching code at a high school, and I noticed that a lot of the students were having trouble going to the links and also typing in the code from the projector. So the idea is that this will make it easier to teach code and other things and also share links easier in the classroom. If you have any feedback, please let me know. And I look forward to talking with you and working out this tool and working out features to come. Thank you.